Salty nuts in your mouth, nigga.
All right.
One space.
Talk like you got salty nuts in your mouth, nigga.
So you gotta remember this shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
That stays.
Yes.
Until you get a new card.
Alright, so who is your turn?
No, it's your go.
I'm
He's like,
Yeah.
why you taking your fire?
Koya go after Omar.
Oh my God.
Go ahead, wench.
Oh shit.
How he gonna use that shit? Cause I just said it, right?
Shiver me timbers. I don't know.
That shit.
Shiver me timbers.
Rules. A game. Okay. Global rule.
Everybody.
So it knocks out the prior one.
Global rule affects all players. If another global rule is drawn, discard this rule and replace it with the new rule. Is there anything else?
Yep.
Every time a 1 is rolled, all players must say, all hail the Chinese cheese biscuit. The last player to say this must pay the penalty.
All hell the Chinese.
Oh shit, that's me.
Okay.
All hell the
All
Chinese.
Whoever rolls a 1.
Yeah.
All hell the Chinese.
Anytime
No,
a
that
1
Chinese
is
cheese
rolled,
Yeah.
we all have to say, all hail the Chinese cheese biscuit.
Got you.
All hell Chinese cheese biscuit.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
whoever
All
doesn't say
hail
it,
the
the penalty
Chinese-
is 1 space.
Got
Okay?
you.
Chinese cheese
It's
biscuit.
here.
All right, now it goes in the center.
Right there, right now. All hail the Chinese cheese biscuit.
Okay.